How you doing, everyone? Welcome back. I'm going to have a very brief look at Bitcoin. Um, I say brief because we're not out of the woods yet, and I'm not going to be here to tell everyone that what's just happened isn't a good thing, because it's great. It's really helped the market to recover. Um, I just am concerned that we still may go lower. So until we break above our next significant resistance and hold above 44.7, or even get up to the 44 area, I'm not confident we're not going to retrace back, if I'm honest. And I personally won't be really bullish on Bitcoin until we're above 50,891. From the moment that we're sitting above there, that to me is our moon line. Everything in between is just guesswork. While we're above 34, we're essentially, in my view, just moving sideways, and that's kind of it. It's you can see here. This might be worth taking a little screenshot of if you're interested in playing some shorts or swing trades on Bitcoin. But from where we are, I don't actually think we're going to level up in a straight line, put it that way. We may break up to 44 and we're going to have a back test. But I think from here there's a possibility that we're going to come back lower for another 10% drop. So I've said in my previous videos, I did expect us to have a 15% drop from 38. I do think that's still on the table. As you've seen here, we've had these sort of correction pumps. I say correction, they're more protection bounces. And then we've seen some sideways action for best part of a week, and then we've completely fallen off the table for like the next month. So watch out for that. Watch out for not, essentially, if we stick to this area of circa 41,000, if we stick here for a week, that to me would be an indication that we're going to have that 50% drop, 15% drop. Sorry, we don't want to see another 50% drop. So yeah, 15% drop, and then we'd move higher. In my mind, it just looks like it needs to come back a little bit further before we have a little launch out of here. And I would say that 34,600 would be a fair line to touch before we have a launch, and that launch would be us essentially staircasing back up to 51,800, and then that would be our go zone. So personally, I am bullish for the long term. I do think Bitcoin gets over 400,000 in time, and when it's appropriate, I will release the video as to my my thoughts and beliefs behind that. But in the immediate short term, if I was to say to you, this thing's going to get to 400,000, and you buy in now, you possibly would have you'd probably be sitting on a loss for a period of time. So I don't want anyone to sort of cash in on this, expecting it to get to 400,000 in the next like 10 weeks, because it's just not going to happen. So best of luck to everyone who's in. It is really good to see Bitcoin moving upwards, but I'm not confident yet that it's going to hold. So as such, I'm still advising that there is a 15% correction to the downturn on the table. And yeah, we'll have to watch this space to see what happens over the weekend. Monday will be a very telling day. The weekend is normally very good for crypto, and then Monday is where you see everyone fill their pockets. So just keep an eye out for what happens on Monday. If we hold support wherever we end on the weekend, then more than likely we probably will continue in that direction. So yeah, just over the weekend, this is one to watch. Best of luck. Take care.